Are you reading closely and looking? Let's read the question. How would he find the number of crackers each family member received? Let's cross it out. It says Lawrence packed 64 crackers for a picnic. Before he left, the dog ate 19 of them. Lawrence shared the rest evenly between himself, his wife, and his 3 children. Let's cross it out and let's circle some clues. I know this is about Lawrence. I know he packed 64 crackers for a picnic. That means a lunch you have outside. Before he left, his dog ate 19. So those went away into the dog's stomach. Lawrence shared the rest evenly. That means he made a fair share between himself, his wife, and his 3 kids. Let's count how many people that is. That's himself, his wife, and his 1, 2, 3 kids. That's 5 people. So I'm going to write 5 people. And I can circle how would he find the number of crackers. Let's cross it out. What do I do first to solve a math problem? The main idea. My main idea is going to say, how is he going to find the number of crackers? Let's go over here. Let's talk about what we know. What do we know? Well, I know this is about Lawrence. I know he has 64 crackers. I know that the dog ate 19 of them. And I know he has to share the rest with 5 people, including himself. So how can I draw that using a strip diagram? Well, let's draw what he had in the beginning. I know this is about Lawrence, and I know he has crackers. And I know that in the beginning, he had 64 crackers total. The total number goes at the top. And then his dog came along, and he ate some. He ate some of the 64. He ate 19. So I need to figure out how much he has left. I can match this up with a picture on my action poster. It's going away. That matches take away, because something is going away, and the operation is subtraction. I'm taking away from 64, so I need to start from 64. 64, take away 19. Here I have more on the floor, so I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I can borrow, and now I have 10 and 4, and that makes 14. 14 take away 9. You do not have 14 fingers, so you need to start from the 9, put the 9 in your brain, and count on until you get to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 5. Now 5 take away 1 is 4. He has 45 left. So that 45 goes in the question mark. Now that we know how many he has left, now we can figure out how he's going to share them. So I know this is still about Lawrence, and he has crackers. I know now he has 45, so that's going to be our new total number. And I know he's going to share them with 5 people. So here's the first person. This is Lawrence. Here's his wife. Here's his 1, 2, 3 children. So this is child 1, child 2, and child 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that he's going to share that with. Right now, I don't know how much each person is going to get. And now I can match up my strip diagram with my action poster. Let's see, I know the total. I don't know how much is going to go in each, but I do know how many groups there are. That matches with share a set equally, because I know the total, I don't know the number in each, and I know how many groups I have. And the operation for that is division. So I know I'm sharing from 45 because that's my total. That means I need to share a total of 45 shared equally into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And that's going to equal my quotient. Now for this kind of problem, you can use multiplication to help you. So let's look at our anchor chart again for how to find a total. This is division. So look on the division side. When you divide, you share from the total. The total is right in front of the division symbol, so I'm going to circle that. Now I can use the multiplication side. When you multiply, the answer is your total. So that should go at the end now. Because something times 5 is going to equal 45. If you don't know what it is, then use the 5 song and then count how many fingers you have when you say 45. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's 9 fingers. So our missing quotient is 9. Now you can also solve this problem using a division area model. So I'm sharing from 45. Since I have room over here, I'm going to do it over here. And my total number goes at the bottom. My number of groups goes on the side. That's 5. So I'm going to draw 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to put one here at the top. And I'm going to remember my easy numbers from second and first grade. 10, 5, 2, and 1. Let's see if I can share by 10 first with each group. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Do I have enough? No, I have a number that's smaller. I can't share by 10. Let's share by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Do I have enough? Yes, because I have a number that's bigger than 25. So let me share 5 with each group. I just shared 5 with each group. So I gave away 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If I gave away 25, I need to take away 25 from what I have. 5 take away 5 is 0, and 4 take away 2 is 2. That means I have 20 left to share. Let's see if I can keep sharing by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I can't. My number is smaller than that. Maybe I can share by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Can I share by 10? Yes, because I have a number that's bigger than 10. So let me share by 2. I just gave each group 2. That means I gave away 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If I gave away 10, I need to take it away. I know that 20 take away 10 is 10. So now I can see if I can keep sharing by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do I have enough? Yes, because I have 10 right there. So I'm going to share by 2 again. I just gave each group 2. I just shared 2. So if I shared 2 with each one, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 that I just shared away. So 10 take away 10 equals 0. That means I have 0 left to share, so I'm done sharing. So let's see how many I gave each group. At first, I gave the first group 5, and then I shared 2 with that group, and then I shared 2 with that group. So if I bring it all together, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is my number in each. That means 9 is going to be my quotient still.